Welcome, craft heroes. Today we're transforming our Muddy's 3D wall frame into a beautiful blue iris masterpiece. Get started by gathering your paints and brushes. Don't forget a rinse cup and a few paper towels, then settle in. Take a deep calming breath and let your mind loosen as your hands ease into the colors. This is your moment to drift into the craft and let the day's worries float away. Step 1. Use a large brush to take the color number 0 to flatly paint the outer frame. And then paint again after the first layer is dry to show more color, waiting for the paint to dry before the next step. Step 2. Use a large brush to take and mix colors. Number 2 and number 13 color to paint the desktop. Step 3. Use a large brush to take colors. Number 2, number 10, number 13, and number 17 to paint the stem and leaves. Step 4. Use a large brush to take color number 31 to paint the bottom of the petals. Step 5. Use a large brush to take and mix colors number 25 and number 27 to paint the dark part of the petals. Step 6. Use a small brush to take color number 2 and number 10 to paint the stamen. Step 7. Use a large brush to take color number 2 and mix it with a small amount of color number 13 to paint the vase. Step 8. Use a small brush to color number 6 to outline the edges of the vase and the table. You will complete a masterpiece by your own hands. And just like that, your blue iris masterpiece is complete. Rinse your brushes, lay the frame flat to dry, and decide whether to hang it or gift it. However you share it, be sure to tag #CraftHero and #Muddies so we can celebrate your creation. Thanks for painting with us. See you in your next creative escape.